Greetings, Queens. My name is Siamani Williams, and I would love to have you join me as we close out Women's Herstory Month by wrapping your head on March 31st in your favorite piece of fabric and just let's show some solidarity and some unity. March has been extremely hard for a lot of women. Counted so many Black women who have lost their lives to senseless violence. And so let's honor them. Let's honor the ancestors. Let's honor ourselves with a show of unity that says, we are here. Yes, they will see us regardless, whether our hair is wrapped, whether our hair is natural, whether our hair is permed, whether our hair is weaved up, it does, bundled up, it doesn't matter. We are beautiful, but for a day, can we get just a little bit of queen unity? So please wrap your head, tag your pic, hashtag Queens Wrap, and share it across your social media on March 31st. Let's blow it out, y'all. Have a blessed week. Remember to practice self-care. Self-love first.